Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Spela Hernandez. I'm a licensed holistic esthetician and a skincare developer. Got a lot of requests about how to use our one and only Time Master. Time Master is the only tool that I have ever sold to my customers because of its amazing benefits. This is an ultrasound tool that tightens, lifts, tones, and brightens the skin. If you want to learn the details about it, you can always check my webpage at spalinaskincare.com and read all about it, because there's a lot of technical specification, but I want to focus on how to use this amazing tool. It comes in a box, and in a box you have a charger, you have a conductive gel, and you have the tool. So the tool, when it comes brand new, is charged for probably one use. After that, you have to charge it. That's the main problem people have, is that they are saying, oh, it's not working anymore. And the first question is, you got to make sure you charge it, because otherwise it will not work. So once you get the tool, it has the top button where you turn it on. The power has 4 different levels. So you always start on the 1, and then you can up your level by clicking the top button and moving the little light up. So start with the level 1 and then slowly, gradually graduate into higher levels. You shouldn't be feeling uncomfortable. You should just enjoy the treatment. So if you feel like, oh, this is uncomfortable, or it's pulling on your teeth, or it just doesn't feel right, back down. You're still getting the best treatment. Higher doesn't mean better. It's just slowly you will get there. If you want to change the light setting, it comes with all lights by default, but then you can adjust. This one is the most powerful one. Actually, it's this one, but this one, not my favorite, because the flashing kind of doesn't feel right for the eyes, but some people love it. So this is the strongest one. The one before was another level. Then we have a red one. The red one is for anti-aging, if you would just like to target that. If you have breakouts or you have problematic skin, blue light is very good for that. If you would like to brighten your complexion and you are sensitive, you can use the green one, or you can have no light. You can shut it off. I always say do 5 minutes of all light, the first setting that comes with it, and then customize the second 5 by what your main issue is. So you just keep pressing and the lights are going to be changing. If you don't want any lights, it's fine. You still get the benefit of the treatment. Very important to know is that the tool will not perform its job unless you apply the conductive gel. Conductive gel that comes in the box, it's also promoting collagen growth. It's a high performance collagen gel. You have to apply it, you wash your face, and then you apply the gel all over, and then you slide the tool in the directions out of your face. You can do a little circular motion. You just pretty much work the whole face. You can't go wrong. You can go all the way close to your eye. If it feels the muscle moving, it's not gonna damage your eye or your vision or optic nerve or anything like that. Just keep sliding it all over your face. So you might need to reapply the gel sometimes. It's normal. Just have the tube open, or if you're using the gel that I like, it's a different gel. You can just squirt it on your face without putting the tool down and just keep going. Don't apply the gel directly onto the machine, on the tool. Just apply it on your skin and then work it in. The tool will shut itself down after 5 minutes. So you're supposed to do 2 cycles of 5 minutes per face. You can work one side 5 minutes and the other side 5 minutes, or you can just do 10 minutes all over your face. Another useful benefit of this tool is that you can do the back of your hands. If your hands feel dry, have some sunspots, it works really well. The same way, you have to apply the gel first, and then you work each hand 5 minutes. It's a really nice benefit. If you found this informative, please give us thumbs up. And if you'd like to be notified when the new video is released, click the notification bell button and you'll be notified when new video is released. But if you have any other questions regarding this tool, you can always contact us and we'll provide you with more information.